Hi, I'm Anna, and the strategy I will be explaining in this video is self-testing. This is the strategy that I feel personally works best for me as a chemistry major. This method forces you to actively recall information from your memory and applies to practice questions. By doing this, you're engaging directly with the material instead of just rereading it. The questions you struggle with can help you identify gaps in your understanding and show you what you need to review further. The purpose of self-testing or retrieval-based learning is when you take practice tests or answer practice questions using your prior knowledge. This strategy trains your brain to retrieve information from memory and apply it, helping you strengthen what you have already learned and identify areas you may need improvement in. Some examples of me doing this would include repetition by making flashcards or recitation practice problems. I mainly use this strategy in my chemistry and biology classes by doing practice tests and questions to get an idea of what the test may look like. This also helped train my brain to recognize patterns and think differently to solve problems. The questions that gave me more of a challenge showed that I needed to spend more time relearning and understanding the material. After reviewing, I would reattempt the question to ensure I fully grasped the concept. Some examples would be me marking more difficult chemistry and biology questions to have a reminder to come back and review these concepts. The biggest challenge isn't just doing the practice questions, it's understanding the reasoning behind
Hey,
why this answer is the correct answer. It's easy to pick option A and say, I got this right, but it's more valuable to ask yourself, why was A right and why were B, C, and D wrong? By doing this, you deepen your understanding of the material and train your brain to recognize the correct answers more quickly. And if you can't immediately recognize the correct answer, you at least have developed the critical thinking skills to find it. Using this strategy has helped improve my critical thinking skills greatly. In chemistry, it taught me how to
hey,
connect one value or concept to another, while in calculus, it forced me to attempt practice problems instead of waiting on the professor. And in biology, it helped me to start thinking more like a scientist by avoiding unnecessary generalizations and focus on the evidence itself. I highly recommend this strategy for STEM majors because once you can recognize patterns, you're already halfway through understanding the material. Some benefits of this strategy would be reinforcing active recall, strengthening long term memory, deepening your understanding of the concept, identifying your gaps in knowledge, reducing text anxiety, and an overall increase in confidence.